Good afternoon. Let's see the amount of carbon emission from one power plant. If the amount of carbon generated in the single plant to 1,000 megawatt per year is converted to EU carbon emission standard, total amount of carbon credit cost around 288 billion Korean won. There is the graph carbon dioxide emission factor kilogram CO2 per megawatt hour. This is come from Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. We can find in the middle of the graph bitumen. Bitumen, if we use the bitumen as the fuel for the coal power plant to produce 1 megawatt hour, in the case, 290 kilogram CO2 will be emitted. The top line of the graph for charcoal, it will emit around 400 kilogram CO2 to produce 1 megawatt hour. In the case natural gas is less than the others, around 200 kilogram CO2 will be emitted in order to produce 1 megawatt hour electricity. So the graph shows a carbon dioxide emission for 1 megawatt hour by each fuel. The most commonly used bitumen in coal power plant emits 290 kilogram of carbon dioxide. Bitumen is normal fuel to be used in the coal power plant because its calories is higher than others like lignite and anthracite. Anthracite, sometimes anthracite core will be used in coal power plant, but if they want to use the anthracite core, they should add one more. They should add more facility to burn this anthracite core because the calorie value is low, then it's too hard to be burned. 1 megawatt hour is the amount that use 1 megawatt of instantaneous power for 1 hour. Let's assume that the power plant is running 24 hours a day and 365 days. Then you can multiply it by 24 hours and 365 days. And that the power plant 1 unit is operated by 100% of its whole capacity. But normally they operate around less than 100%, sometimes 90%, 60%, up to 50%. But here, just to calculate simply apply 100% operation. In the case, the amount of carbon dioxide emission per year can be 2.5 million tons. If apply the amount of this carbon credit, which traded in the EU, they say 80 euro per ton of carbon emission. So carbon credit cost will be about 288 billion won.